Hey, John Gaudiano. I am showing a superb property here in Sarasota. We are just off Weber, and I think this place is just so charming. It's big. The master's on the first floor, but as we don't see very often in Florida, this home has a great upstairs. This place was built in '77. It's been recently renovated. I believe it's a true bargain, and it's so fun to see these places that have an upstairs, because a lot of people do not have them. Here's a bedroom. In here this would be an ideal playroom, game room, a little ancillary room for this bedroom, and then there's another bedroom over there. And here's the plan. Christmas morning, everyone comes downstairs to see what Santa brought. This is a charming New England home in the heart of Sarasota. If you are looking for something like that, would love to talk to you. I'm going to try to frame it up with the stairs in the background. Give me a call anytime to discuss. John Gaudiano, 941-364-4444.